Hello everyone, today we will draw this drawing in Autocad. First draw a circle of R27.5, select circle command, select radius R27.5, enter. Then draw the next circle of R45, outer diameter, R45, enter. Now we will draw a 30-degree angle, length of 60. Go to line command, select the center line, select the length of the line 60, tab. Now select the degree of 60, escape. From this point this angle will be 60. From this point to this end point angle will be 30. 30 plus 60, total 90, perpendicular. Now select the radius of R10 and R18. Now go to circle command, select the radius, select the end point of this line, give dimension of R10, enter. Next R18, press tab for the same command, select the center point and give radius of R18, R18. Here the radius is R5. Now we will mirror this object. Take a line in 90-degree. In the same way, take a line in 90-degree. Now we will mirror both diameters. Go to mirror command, select the objects, enter. Now select the center point and give in y direction, y plus direction. Now in the same way we will mirror this both the diameters downside. Go to mirror, select the diameters, enter. Now select the center point of the circle, then give the direction in x. Now here R5 radius is formed. Go to fillet, select the diameter, enter. Select the radius and select the next, select the radius of 5, enter 5, and next select the next object. Radius is formed. We will mirror this R5 in all the 4 coordinates. Mirror, select the object, enter. Now select the center of the circle. Now select in x direction. Now again go to mirror, select the radius, 2 radius. Now enter. Now select the center point of the circle and select in y direction. Now all four radius have been formed here. Now we will use trim option and trim unwanted. Trim, 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 trim. Now we need R17 in this phase. For this we use circle command again. Go to tan radius, shift, right click, select tangent, select the first object, again shift, right right click, tangent, select the second object. Now give the radius of 17. Circle has been formed. Now we will trim here also. Trim, trim, trim. We'll mirror this R17 here. Go to mirror command, select the radius, enter. Now select the center of the circle, select in y direction. Radius has been formed here. Now go to trim command, trim, trim. Now we have 4 slots here. Those are in 3D drawing, those will be drilling. Now we will draw this 6 in the length of the slot is 8, or length of the drill is 8. Now go to offset command, select the distance of 4, enter, select the object, select this side, again go to offset command, distance of 4, enter, select the object, select upwards. Now we will trim the unwanted material. Go to trim option, delete these 3 lines, these 3 lines, these 3 lines. Now we will use this polar and create these 6 slots. Go to polar, select both the lines, enter, select the center point and mention 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6, it is already 6. 360 divided by 60, 6. Close the command. Now delete the unwanted this X line and Y line. Select the line, and press delete in keyboard. In this way we will draw this diagram. and we will discuss the dimension in another video clearly. And thank you for today.